What's up, guys? I am Roomba Metal Sonic. I am the real Sonic. This is so... God damn it, see that space. Oh, screw that up. Burp. Yeah, this is fucking funny. And then I could just jump out of the ground. Oh my god, this place is so cool. But yeah. What the? Oh, it just doesn't have cold. Right? What the? I got so scared right there. Wow. What the fuck? Yeah, this place is very small. I didn't even realize that. Or like, I know it's smaller than the normal Green Hill, but dang. I was like all the way over here. As soon as I go over here, I'm like right next to California. Oh, I'm stupid. That's a different portal. I don't remember much. Yeah, imagine having to pay for this. But, yeah. Roomba Metal Sonic signing out.